APHLC holds street corner campaign in Polonie. Borjan ASDC Youth Front shows discontent over Chief Minister's remark of declaring Bocajaan a separate district. 45 UDFS members join BJP in Sanctihidi.
Amar Jivan Diabetes, gastric, piles, lapen blood pressure ason sonaki sopen ke jokilong jia phan Amar Jivan a hinpen mesen adovai nangli tuma phan nangwan pilo. Laan chota kalisi pokso pokang kela keleng rikeng kiso ipu orloka chorot pendanglok an kicho thekthia kiso do anta kipami iun bangso Amar Jivan adovai. Klarda kachini jia phan Troxy 5A Hini drop ho 5A Troxy nerkebalong humri lote long ikpo.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference had on Thursday held street corner campaign program at Polonie Market. Here is a report. Through the event, the party had spread the news that indigenous tribes are in danger and that people should remain aware and cautious of the various dangers that surround the tribals. The APHLC strongly said that they are against the BJP party allotting party tickets to 5 non-Karbis. They said that this act of the BJP had opened the road to the non-tribals to contest in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election despite the district being under 6th schedule.
Ilitum labangso Karbi Anglong 6 sidul ahawaralong labangso MEC kilik along bangke bangko ne labangso kecheso afam tiket dipondetlo labangso 6 sidul pahawaralong kecheso afam kosom si tiket dipondetlo halabang takal tunanya son roklo lapenke ilitum dak Polonie hawar Polonie constituency hawar afam isi rara afam labangso hitia long kedo arara afam ta isi ke pachini pon je ke bangjar ni abangke labangso BJP lapen Congress afana bangke ilitum High Command Party phana bangke ke bangjar ni ilitum Karbi Anglong Karbi akhai tum jomsi dengbom lang pulangte ke bangji akai arnia bangke ilitum nodak pola pen ilitum akhai virdet.
The APHLC had urged upon all tribals working for the BJP and the Congress to join them in protecting the tribals. They said that the national parties cannot stand for the rights of indigenous people, so all tribal people should stand with the regional forces.
Asilitum mabangke labangke ilitum inglong so phan bangke so सबका साथ सबका विकास लबंगसो बांके चौकचे तुम बांके बरबाद असम सिमानरो इपतलो मा पुलंगते इली तुम कार्बी आहावार बांके लांगपुर लांगबेत लापुसन से इली तुम तवार सिता में कचे लापा लापेन कचे रोंग पुलंगते नॉन रोंग कुड बोर्बी ले लांगराम पुलंगते लबंगसो तवार के नाइट प्लॉट प्लाटसम लापेन हला स्ट्रीट लाइट सिता में एकदम ला 100 मीटर तोर बांके स्ट्रीट लाइट माने हाउ लादाक बॉर्डर हालागात बॉर्डर पेन लादाक माने सिल पुखुरी Pudung pukuri am, so border am roke street light tak target. Tak Karbi Anglong apen buru, arong bangke tribal arong bangke, thek long le labang so kas bangke.
Dirchuna Rongpi from Polonie, Karbi Anglong Live. The Borjan branch of the ASDC Youth Front had vehemently criticized the Chief Minister of Assam over his alleged remark about declaring Bocajaan as a separate district. This was stated during a press meet convened by the organization on Wednesday at HDP. During the press briefing, the Borjan in charge of the ASDC Youth Front, Lipson Crow, stated their dissatisfaction and discontent over 3 different issues. He had strongly condemned the Assam Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, for saying that Bocajaan may soon be declared a new state during an election campaign meeting. He said that further division of Karbi Anglong would lead to disunity, loss of harmony among the Karbis. It would weaken the unity among the various tribes and communities living in the district.
Tangde, kusonzi BP Sarkar tum, hemprek amen pen alang litum non MC kilik konsel election kilik along alang hemprek amen pen rat pan kacubai hekpo alang li tuma ning hang pulutang te tuma hemprek en pedeno hemprek long si development ado erlo hemprek long si long le pota ke PR ado erlo asi alang li tuma ning hang bude hemprek kan pidano kusi BJP sorga ban jong nami apre hemonto biso sorga ban li chunung rilo.
The Youth Front leader also said that the Assam government policy to provide minority certificate to Karbis following Christian religion would divide the tribe. Lipson Cross said that the Assam government is trying to play a foul game by dividing the tribe.
Karbi khai phan jongsi labang so sare biar jongsi na pitalo bote ilitum kyong doi karbi gali itum phan chit pasang chom krai po na getha labang si ilitum karbi tangde karbi nanglin nili alam ave pilo nang kumalo ni kumalo po pilo lasi laso bangke ilitum abang akan hok thetanji pusi nili jongdam.
Crow further expressed their discontentment over the government move to provide land patas to the non-tribal people of Karbi Anglong. He said that Karbi Anglong is a district administered under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, so only indigenous tribes will have rights over land. The Youth Front leader strongly stated that they are against the BJP playing politics in the name of land patas to non-tribals of the district. If the government goes ahead with their decisions, then the Youth Front will take strong steps to protest.
30 ani hanjang so feel along golf Assamese LP school along alangli himonto bisu sorma kiban kani te kang alam bukayan district na pipo bosi bukayan kidok bom bang khai phan kachi chak pikang ani ke parong chon pro chon jam labang ke nilitum chidon de thek bosi nilitum borjan ASDC Youth Front pen kin rempon lo lacho tagalilang alang li ki putikang ke bukayan alo kido kaprek akhai atumaphan longle pata na pipo kusi alang li kachi chaktika labang nili hin pen rem damlo nili hin pen chidon de kusi nili jong dame labang ke chujeng bat jira chidon de nidum kuson chidon po alang nentum DC ka alang tum bukayan district andar sido po la pupulan te nidum bukayan kido prong ngon tum bukayan kido don prong akar bi tum ke nidum ke bang susi labang ke nang chodat po bang nitum chicharda khangjang lo.
Vijay Rongpis report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest political development, altogether 45 members of United Democratic Forum, Sarupathar, UDFS, party marched with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Here is a report. The merger took place during an election campaign meeting held at the BJP party office in Sangtihidi on Thursday. The persons leaving the UDFS said that they are not hopeful of Semion Rongpar's victory in the upcoming election as people do not trust him. They also said that more persons will soon leave the party.
Delajan PS, Satifangso PS, tapi Tarungso PS. La puling ke thok dan ni tumpini nangjoin dulu. Nangjoin aku kira hello. Alangli hat ning ke cetia bidara tuni sing jadi tu. La puling thok dan nangjoin kau menang kau.
Kan bangkuan nangjoin kau doi bang.
Jadi tu Delajan PS dan bangkrin cap tu. Lapen Satifangso dan bangkrin cap, lapen Tarungso dan bangsil cap. Bang hello ni tu.
Non ke bang gilang me tumong ana la BJP non cipok non dia.
Dolan. Sami pini ta kira hitung dolan sta apol ala ma joini sini tu. Ini bang situ la pikir.
Bokajan MLA and Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin and Sarupathar BJP candidate Kadom Terangpi were present at the meeting, during which UDFS members led by Semtor Phangcho were given warm welcome into the party.
I don't know the exact what because in the party high command they have decided to be it's not MLA. Thank you.
Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.